Welcome to our in-depth comparison of DeepSeek and ChatGPT, two powerful AI language models competing in the field of conversational AI. DeepSeek, a relatively new player, is designed to excel in multilingual capabilities, particularly with Chinese and English, and emphasizes advanced reasoning and problem-solving. On the other hand, ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is a well-established model known for its versatility, extensive training data, and superior contextual understanding across a wide range of topics. While DeepSeek may offer advantages in specific linguistic areas and niche tasks, ChatGPT often outperforms in general-purpose conversation, creativity, and user engagement. Both models have their strengths and weaknesses, making the choice between them dependent on individual needs, whether for technical problem-solving, creative writing, or everyday interactions. Let us know in the comments which AI you prefer and why.